Welcome to the Two Wheel Centre's YouTube channel. Today we're reviewing a 2010 white Triumph Street Triple. It's 12,494 miles, two former keepers. It's a 2010. Accessory wise, we've got the orange wheels, we've got the Triumph mirrors, short levers, also the high level Arrow exhaust system that's also had the Triumph map fitted to it as well, and also has a data tool alarm. The documentation that comes with the bike is the V5. We've got HPI certificate to show it's all clear. We've got two keys and two alarm key fobs with it. We've got the Triumph service manual and owner's manual. We've got MOT history and service history from Triumph. The Triumph is a 675 triple 4-stroke water-cooled fuel injected engine. This has got the high level Arrow exhaust. Let's fire it up to see what it sounds like. All the bikes from the Two Wheel Centre come with 3 months parts and labour warranty, a year's MOT and a full tank of petrol. This bike is also eligible for 3 years McCann's legal cover. My name's Nick, I'm the salesman here. If I can be of any more assistance, give us a phone call or send me an email. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel for stock updates. Thank you for watching this video.